start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So today I've got some more gel liners from Kredioo. Look how that glows on my finger, look, glowing. These are, I believe, some of these are glow in the dark nail art gel liner gel nail polish kit. I believe some of these are glow in the dark and some of them are neon. So you've got all your instructions and stuff there. So let's have a look. I love these guys because we don't really use liners a hell of a lot, so you don't want them to take up much room. So these are 5mm and they're just teeny tiny little lipstick size bottles. I have already got a set of 12, I think, regular colours of these from Kredioo. I'll leave the video at the end of the last ones I did. And the brushes on them are fantastic. They're sturdy little things, they spring back into place, but they don't skew whiff off to the side or slip. They're just nice little brushes to use. So let me work out which ones are glow in the dark and which ones are neon. Right, I think these ones are glow in the dark. So all I'm going to do today, guys, is give them a quick swatch, and I'll do something with them in another video. So yeah, you get 6 neon and 6 glow in the dark. So the first 12 that they do are numbered 1 to 12. So these are a continuation, 13 to 24. So these 6 are the glow in the dark ones, but these are neon as well. So should I bring you in a bit? I'm just going to swatch 6 on this side, 6 on that side. It's just easier and quicker. Oh wow, so this is like a neon red, and they're really opaque as well. They've got to be, because they're for drawing lines, aren't they? So yeah, let's just give them all a nice, easy, simple swatch like this. Oh wow, so that's like a bit of a coral red. I like it. I'm just going to flash them for 10 seconds in between each colour, and I'll show you what they look like glowing in the dark at the end. Yeah, these are proper neons, aren't they? So let's do this one. This is an orange, obviously. And you can do really thin lines with these little liner gels. Obviously, the more pressure you put on with the brush, the thicker the line's going to be. Nice bright orange. I hope they glow well. These are going to be cool for Halloween if they glow well. And then we've got a yellow. I'll swatch these glow in the dark ones with you, and then the regular neons, I'll just stick some music on and fly through them. Oh wow, that's a bright yellow. And I hope they all glow different colours as well. Neon green, glow in the dark. Glow in the dark can tend to be a little bit sheer, can't they? All neons actually tend to be a bit sheer, don't they? These are not too bad. This green's probably the sheerest I've swatched so far, but it's still alright. I do like my little Kredioo products, you know. They've always been decent quality. I don't think I've had anything off them yet that's been shit. Nice glow in the dark blue. I've actually got a really cool e-file to do a video on at some point this week from Kredioo, and I've already had a little play with it, and it's a bloody good one. So just swatch this last purple one, and then we'll have a look at the others. Oh, this is a proper Halloween purple. I like it. Ooh. Yeah, they're quite thick as well, but that's what you want with a liner gel. You want it to be a bit like a gel paint, a bit thicker than your regular gel. Yeah, that's a good purple. I like it. Right, I'm going to cure them quickly. Just going to move them off to the side a sec. And then we'll get these regular neons out. So these are just regular gels. These don't glow in the dark. So I'm just going to stick some music on and fly through these last 6. And then I'm dying to see what these look like glowing in the dark. Right guys, so that is them all swatched. So this side is the glow in the dark 6. So we've got like a perfect rainbow, haven't we, with the glow in the dark ones. Perfect rainbow colours. And then this 6 on the right are just regular, kind of neon, but not quite neon. They're nice colours, aren't they? I like this. It's like a corally. It just looks like a baby pink on camera, but it's actually like a neon kind of coral. Yeah, it looks like a baby pink on camera, but it's a really bright kind of coral colour. It's nice. So shall we see what they look like glowing in the dark? I love this tealy bluey green. That's a pretty colour. And this hot pink. Shall we see what these look like glowing in the dark? So that is the glow in the... Wow, they do glow. Yeah, they do glow. I like that red. That red's a unique glowy colour, isn't it? Yeah, that red is a really bright glow. They're all bright, aren't they? I love them. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I love these. I just love how small, compact, they're light. Yeah, they don't take up much room. Great price as well. And I love the colours. You can get these in a set of 12 regular colours, where you get your black, your white, your gold, your silver. It's got 6 neons in it, and then I think it's got like a baby pink and an extra blue. You know, just your regular colours. And then there's this set that's got your glow in the dark and some extras. But yeah, I really like them. I mean, you don't have to use these as glow in the dark, obviously. You can use them as normal neons, but yeah, I really like them. I do. I like that these are perfect rainbow colours. I like them a lot. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave links below. Don't forget, I've got a permanent 10% off code now for Kredioo on Amazon. And they've always got £5, £10 off vouchers. So definitely worth checking out. I'll leave all links below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.